Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can set your availability on Fiverr. Maybe you want to set your availability on Fiverr to out of office so that you won't receive any offer, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can set your availability on your Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you will see these icons below. The home button icon, email icon, list icon, and then your profile icon. And here, tap on your profile icon. And then in here, to set your availability on your Fiverr, you'll see this availability under the Manage Gig. Tap on this availability. And then in here, you have the options to turn on this out of office mode. If you want to turn on this out of office mode, simply toggle this button on the right. And as you can see, you have a way reason. You have I'm overbooked. Or you can also say I'll be back soon or I'm on vacation. For example, you're on vacation, so tap on this I'm on vacation. And you can also set the duration of this. After that, simply tap on this apply button. And as you can see, you are unavailable until 6. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set your availability on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to set your availability on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.